Hi, this is Esme and welcome to my channel. Today we will see the recipe for the Kerala Parotta. This is a popular street food of South India and there are many varieties of it. And today we'll be seeing the recipe of the Malabar Parotta, which is a many-layered flat bread, flaky and soft, and most popularly it is had with a spicy beef curry. In this recipe, I'll be showing you an easy step to get those many layers of the parotta. So keep watching and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. So let's get started. These are the ingredients required. To a bowl, add 4 cups of flour, an egg, a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of refined oil. Ghee or butter can also be used instead of refined oil. Gently mix everything. Add water gradually from 1/4 to half cup to make it into a smooth dough. I had made a mistake of adding half cup of water all at once, so I had to add a lot of flour and oil to make it into a smooth dough. So it is better advised to add water gradually from 1/4 to half cup until you get the texture of the dough like this. It's a bit sticky. Now sprinkle flour on a work area and transfer the dough and keep kneading them using this particular hand movement. And I had kneaded it for about 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes you get a smooth dough like this. Tuck in the dough and rub oil on the surface of the dough. Transfer it to a greased bowl and cover it with a damp cloth. The bowl has to be greased well, else the dough might turn dry. Keep it aside for 2 hours. After 2 hours, remove the damp cloth, take out the dough and make small balls out of it. It is pretty hard to take a small piece from this dough. You can use a knife or scissors to take a small piece and then roll them. Apply some oil on them. And use this movement to make a small ball. Likewise, small balls can be made with the rest of the dough. After making the small balls, let's flatten one by one. The dough has to be flattened until it becomes a flat, transparent layer. It has to be so thin that you can see the other side. In the process, the dough might tear, but that doesn't matter. Keep flattening it until it becomes very thin so that you get the exact flaky layers. Now oiling the surface of the dough once it's flattened and drawing stripes with the blunt side of the knife so that you get the smooth stripes. Keep repeating it till the end. Slightly grease the work area before flattening so that it would be easy to remove this once it is striped. Now let's gather it from one side. Now these stripes look like long strings, so keep gathering it from one side or from both sides. After the strings are gathered, roll it from one side to the other side. Tuck the end of the side into the ball. Now keep this aside and move on to the next ball. Now flatten the rolled ones with the palm of your hand. Flatten it to a medium level of thickness, not too thin or not too thick. Now heat a pan. Place the parotta on the hot pan and toast them on both sides. You can brush it with some oil if you feel it is dry, and flip over on both sides so that it cooks evenly. So once everything is fried, it's time to get the layers out. This has to be done when it is still hot. Let's put them one on top of the other. Now keep crushing them from all sides until the layers are defined. And now the parotta is ready. This parotta by itself is very tasty because of the egg and the milk added to it. So friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And see you soon in another interesting video. Till then, bye bye.